What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you guys are new to the channel, hi there. So this is the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, not the Ultra, not the successor to the Fold 7, the new form factor, what rumors were calling the Fold 8Y. It is here. We're going to take a look at it, give you guys my, second impressions of this because I was able to see it during Samsung Galaxy Unpacked. But taking a look right at the box, we see a silhouette of the new form factor. So we get a wide cover display and a new wide inner display. Which again, why didn't they call it the wide? I don't know. And let's take a look, see what we get right here. And also, we do have this carbon magnet case from Samsung. Huge shout out to Samsung for bringing me out to Galaxy Unpacked. Let's take a look at this. This is in their lavender option right here. Their pistachio, I think that was what it was called. Their pistachio is a Samsung.com exclusive, so do keep that in mind. But wow, I just love this form factor. It's just super compact. But let's put this back in here because everything else is inside the box. So we have all of the paperwork. SIM ejector tool, we get the USB-C to C cable, paperwork in there, and that's about it. We don't really get much else. That's usually an unboxing experience nowadays in 2026. But also, I will be switching to this. There's not a I'm switching video, but yes, I'm going to be switching from the Galaxy S26 Ultra to the Fold 8. And just as a size comparison, that's what I'm going to be switching to. And you know what? I am all for it. So let's go ahead and remove the outer display first, which, by the way, this outer display does not have an anti-reflective coating. Let's put that there, but the inner display does. And look how thin that is. That is really nice. And it's super light to hold in the hand too. There we go. And there it is. There is the anti-reflective coating. It is much better in person. Let's just fold this real quick. As you can see, oh, that is such a satisfying fold. But yeah, like right now you can see, but now it's not as bad. So that anti-reflective coating does go into effect. You got a dual 50 megapixel camera set up right there. It's not triple. Again, that is for the Ultra. A 4,800 milliamp hour battery, 45 watts of charging, 12 gigs of RAM with my model here. You get 3 different storage models as well. But let's go ahead and boot this up. We're going to go through just the general setup. And then later on, I am going to be moving everything over from my S26 Ultra. And also, this power button is a fingerprint reader as well. So that's how it looks with the cover display. And that's how it looks with the inner display. And with this crease, with their new, Flex Titanium, you have to really look at it to see the crease. And when you run your finger across it, you can ever so slightly feel it, but it's not going to be of any issue whatsoever. Like right now, I'm looking at it head on. I'm looking at it at an angle. It's not going to get in the way at all. So I'm going to set this up, and I'll catch you guys in a moment. All right, so I am back with the initial setup of the Z Fold 8, and I got to just look at this wide display. This is great. For example, let's go into YouTube. Not allow. I'm not set up with all of my stuff on here. I'm going to turn off Wi-Fi because the Wi-Fi is really slow. Let's go ahead and go into YouTube and let's just open up. Okay, it kicked me out. Let's go back. Open up the new Spider-Man Brand New Day trailer, which, by the way, if you haven't seen the last trailer, the final trailer, go see it. But also, I would highly recommend seeing it when it does come out, which I'm going to go see hopefully in the next week at the time of this recording.
Hi, my name is Peter Parker.
So I'm going to just pause, but that's how it looks on the outer display. And it does go pretty bright, so we can bring up the brightness just like that. And also, the speakers are pretty good. So there's 2 speakers, one on the top and one on the bottom. So it does work out as a foldable.
I have something to tell you that's gonna sound crazy.
I don't want to get copyrighted, but there's that. And then also, when you go into full screen mode, there's Spider-Man there. Let's say we go to one of my videos. Let's go to MTG Productions. And we got my videos here.
This is the Samsung Galaxy Z.
Which, as you can see, takes up the full screen. Yeah, you do have those bars at the bottom, the top and bottom. But I would definitely prefer this over how it was with the Ultra. If you guys remember how videos were on that, I definitely would prefer this more. You just get more out of it. All right, and here is the carbon magnet case for the Z Fold 8 from Samsung. Looks pretty sleek and elegant. It also does come with an anti-reflective coating film for the cover display. I'll be putting that on later. But let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. What do you guys want to see with the Fold 8? I'm excited for this device, to use it as my daily device. Maybe Samsung released this because Apple's releasing something similar in September. I don't know, but regardless, once more people get their hands on this specific Fold, they're going to really like it a lot. I mean, you're getting a large inner display, a super wide cover display that's usable and easy to text on, and what more can you ask for? Maybe a wide Ultra someday, who knows? Maybe. We're at the beginning, but I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, definitely be sure to superman the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel out a lot. It will help push my content out to more people. Definitely be sure to subscribe as we're making our way towards 100,000 subscribers. Thank you all so much, and I'll catch you all in the next episode.